A machine designed to obey, think, adapt, and learn. With Optimus, Elon Musk has taken a massive leap toward a future where robots blend seamlessly with our lives to serve, anticipate our needs, and operate independently. When Elon Musk first announced the Optimus robot, it sounded like something out of a sci-fi movie, but here we are, living it. Optimus isn't just another robot, it's something far more powerful, intelligent, more human-like. Imagine a robot capable of seeing, recognizing, and even making decisions based on its surroundings. Optimus can identify objects, move in spaces, and learn from every interaction. It remembers, it adapts. Each time it performs a task, it becomes more innovative and faster, and it doesn't stop there. With every update, every line of code, every new piece of hardware, Optimus inches closer to something once unimaginable: autonomy. But as impressive as it sounds, it's also unsettling. We're creating machines with intelligence that grows daily, and they're learning about us. Imagine the power of a machine that not only works like us, but learns to think like us. So where is this leading? Elon Musk envisions a world where Optimus isn't just one robot in a lab, but thousands in our factories, offices, hospitals, and homes. His vision is ambitious, even revolutionary: a workforce of robots designed to handle dangerous tasks, tedious labor, and more. Imagine Optimus assembling cars, constructing buildings, and aiding in surgeries. A robot that does the heavy lifting, physically and metaphorically. Optimus and others like it could soon take over jobs that were once only for people. A robotic workforce has always been a sci-fi fantasy, yet we are watching it unfold. But here's where things get dark. Some say these humanoid robots could be more than just helpers. Could a robot designed to think and act independently eventually see us as unnecessary? Mainly after we teach them how an Optimus robot can create another Optimus robot, and Optimus robots start working in the production house of their species. And could Optimus, or something even more advanced, go from following our commands to challenging us? It sounds extreme, but it's not too far. A robot capable of autonomy could decide that human guidance is no longer needed. Humans have always had this concept and presented it in science fiction. So is this the start of an AI apocalypse?